we enjoy a walk in the forest, the trees are busy converting solar energy. Their leaves are powered by sunlight. They absorb carbon dioxide and provide us with the air we breathe. During the initial step of photosynthesis, oxygen and hydrogen atoms are separated from water molecules. Hydrogen is a climate-friendly gas and an energy source we can use. It would be wonderful if we could harness in the laboratory the basic method in which plants work, a kind of artificial leaf to protect our climate.
Hello, my name is Ragle Raudsepp. I'm working at Helmholtz-Zentrum Hereon. Our group is working on a climate-friendly hydrogen generation according to the principle of photosynthesis. Come with me to the labs and I will show you our work. The Multifunctional Interfaces department is part of the Hydrogen Technology Center. In these laboratories, we work with state-of-the-art instrumentation.
We are developing special photoelectrodes for our artificial leaf. Their surfaces absorb energy from the sun and use it to split water in hydrogen and oxygen. We want to identify material systems that work efficiently and are at the same time cost-effective. My colleagues Hermann Kriegel and Erik Hollmann are laying the foundation for our photoelectrodes. They start with a substrate. This consists, for example, of titanium or silicon. The surface structure greatly influences its function. In order to increase its surface, they use ions to etch the finest grooves in the material. These grooves are microscopically small. We then coat the structured substrate with a light-sensitive material. This is called a photoabsorber and can, for example, be made of metal oxide. This process too is invisible to the naked eye. The coating is only about 1,000 times as thin as human hair. We then extensively test our electrodes in order to find out, for example, how efficiently they work. How much solar energy can they really use to split water into hydrogen and oxygen? To study the processes that take place in the material after light absorption, Hermann installs an electrode sample in a special spectrometer. I am reviewing measured values on the computer. For my dissertation, I frequently study the electrodes using an atomic force microscope. In this instrument, a nanometer-sized tip scans the surface of a sample. The surface structures and the photoelectrochemical properties can be measured simultaneously. This is how we can see down to a few nanometers where the sample is more photoactive. It is fascinating for me every time we make the invisible visible using this technology as we soar through the unknown nanoworld. Here we see the computer representation of a thin titanium oxide coating measured at the atomic force microscope. The higher areas are only 10 nanometers tall. However, their influence is significant. The red color identifies the places where the highest currents are generated after light absorption in the material. This is the current that the electrode can use in order to generate hydrogen out of water. I enjoy every time I drive the hydrogen car, knowing that I'm not damaging the environment. Hydrogen, plays a decisive role in the fight against climate change. This is why I am passionately investigating a climate-friendly hydrogen production. You want to find out more? Check our website.